Space Rider is a reusable robotic spacecraft being developed by the European Space Agency, ESA. It is designed to be launched on a Vega C rocket and spend up to 2 months in low Earth orbit, conducting scientific experiments or observing the Earth or deep space. After its mission is complete, it will return to Earth and land on a runway using a parafoil, a steerable parachute. The first flight of Space Rider is expected to take place in late 2024. It is a significant development for European space exploration, as it will provide a new platform for scientific research and technological development in microgravity. Space Rider is designed to be flown multiple times, which will help to reduce the cost of space missions. Space Rider can be used for a variety of purposes, including scientific research, Earth observation, and technology demonstration. Space Rider will be able to operate autonomously in orbit, which will free up ground controllers to focus on other tasks. Space Rider will be equipped with a number of safety features, including a parachute and a heat shield, to ensure a safe return to Earth. Hera asteroid mission goes on trial is a bit misleading. It doesn't refer to a legal trial, but rather a series of rigorous tests the spacecraft undergoes before launch. Hera is a European Space Agency, ESA, mission aimed at studying the aftermath of an asteroid impact. In September 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully impacted the asteroid Dimorphos, slightly changing its orbit. Hera is scheduled to launch in October 2024 and rendezvous with the Didymos Dimorphos asteroid system in 2026. Before launch, the spacecraft and its accompanying CubeSats undergo extensive testing at ESA's ESTEC Test Center in the Netherlands. These tests simulate the harsh conditions of space. Therefore, goes on trial refers to this testing process, not a legal case. It signifies the crucial steps taken to ensure the spacecraft's functionality and readiness for its mission. Python Mark II is the first new ship in Elite Dangerous in nearly 6 years. The ship is designed primarily for PvP, player versus player, and will compete with Mamba and FDL. However, Frontier Developments mentioned that players might find other uses for it. The release date of the ship is not yet known. The footage shows a work-in-progress model, and the speaker speculates that the ship might not be released until Power Play 2 update, which is coming in the next few months. The ship has 6 hardpoints and 6 utility mounts. Other details about the ship's internal design and capabilities are not revealed yet. The design of the Python Mark II is inspired by modern-day fighters and stealth planes. It is a sleek-looking ship and is a significant departure from the original Elite Dangerous ship's design. Artificial Intelligence XQ-58A. The XQ-58A Valkyrie drone successfully completed a 3-hour test flight powered by artificial intelligence. This marked a significant milestone in the development of autonomous aerial vehicles and the potential future of warfare. The flight took place at the Eglin Test and Training Complex in Florida, conducted by the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL. The AI software used in the flight was developed through the Skyborg Vanguard program, a collaborative effort between AFRL and the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center. This program aims to create unmanned fighter aircraft, also known as loyal wingmen. The Valkyrie drone, manufactured by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, is designed to be low-cost, high-performance, and stealthy. This makes it suitable for various combat scenarios, including intelligence gathering and electronic warfare. The successful test flight is a significant step towards integrating AI into military operations. It demonstrates the potential for AI to enhance decision-making, improve mission effectiveness, and reduce risk to human pilots. This event has sparked discussions about the ethical implications of using AI in warfare. While some see it as a way to improve military efficiency and reduce casualties, others raise concerns about the potential for autonomous weapons to become uncontrollable and lead to unintended consequences. Ariane 6. The European Space Agency, ESA, is heavily involved in the development and operation of the Ariane 6, a next-generation launch vehicle designed to replace the Ariane 5 and ensure continued European competitiveness in the commercial space launch market. ESA manages the budget allocated by member states participating in the development program. Launch system architect, they ensure compatibility between the rocket and the launch pad infrastructure at Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. Defining institutional mission requirements, ESA specifies the launch vehicle's capabilities needed for various scientific and institutional missions. Conducting main system tests, they are responsible for key tests leading up to and including the inaugural flight. Operating the first flight, ESA will be the operator for Ariane SIX's first launch. Overall, ESA plays a crucial role in steering the Ariane 6 program, ensuring its technical and financial feasibility, and paving the way for its successful launch and operation. While ESA oversees and facilitates the program, Ariane Group, a European aerospace corporation, serves as the prime contractor and design authority for the Ariane 6 launch vehicle. The Ariane 6 aims to offer improved efficiency compared to its predecessor, the Ariane 5, while enabling the launch of a wider range of payloads, from light to heavy, to various orbits. The Rosalind Franklin rover, named after the pioneering crystallographer who played a crucial role in deciphering the structure of DNA, is a planned robotic mission to Mars by the European Space Agency, ESA. Its primary goal, scheduled for launch in 2028, is to search for evidence of past life on the Red Planet. Here's an overview of its mission. The mission aims to identify potential chemical signatures or microscopic structures indicative of past life forms within the Martian samples. The rover will study the geological composition and history of the landing site, providing valuable insights into the past Martian climate and potential habitability. Capsule space balloons, also known as suborbital balloons, are innovative vehicles designed to carry passengers or scientific payloads to the edge of space, offering a unique and potentially more accessible way to experience the wonders of space compared to traditional rocket launches. This company uses a massive balloon to carry a pressurized capsule named Spaceship Neptune to an altitude of about 100,000 feet, 30,000 meters, offering panoramic views of Earth and the blackness of space. These balloons don't reach the internationally recognized Kármán line, around 62 miles or 100 kilometers, which defines the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. Passengers won't experience weightlessness, but the focus is on the journey itself, offering breathtaking views and a comfortable cabin environment. Compared to rocket launches, balloon flights are considered a gentler and potentially more affordable way to experience the thrill of space travel. The Life Habitat is an inflatable space station concept designed by Hera Space. It is a 3-story, modular structure that would be deployed in low Earth orbit to provide living and working space for astronauts. The Life Habitat is made of a Vectran fabric, which is a lightweight and strong material that can withstand the harsh environment of space. The habitat would be inflated once it is in orbit, using pressurized air. Modular design, the habitat can be expanded or contracted to meet the needs of different missions. Artificial gravity. The habitat can be spun to create artificial gravity, which would help to prevent astronauts from experiencing the negative effects of microgravity, such as bone loss and muscle atrophy. Astro Garden. The habitat includes a dedicated space for growing plants, which would provide a sustainable source of food for the crew. The Life Habitat is still under development, but it has the potential to be a game-changer for space exploration. It could provide a more comfortable and livable environment for astronauts on long-duration missions, and it could pave the way for the establishment of permanent human settlements in space. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe and like the channel for more videos.